Dr. Stephen Strange, call upon the wisdom of the Vishanti to aid me in making the most difficult decision of my magical career. Where to go on vacation? Now, where do I want to go? Maybe I should see where everyone else vacations. How about Hawaii? Ugh, I hate a crowded beach. How about something more secluded? An igloo? You'd think 20 years encased in ice would be enough for Captain America. How about something a little cozier? I think I need a hotel I can't sit on. Wait, I know exactly where to go! Welcome to the Hotel Dr. Strange, where all the employees are different Dr. Stranges. I'm desk clerk Dr. Strange. What's your reservation? It's under, Dr. Strange. Oh, of course. You're in the Dr. Strange suite. Bellhop Dr. Strange will take your bag. Don't expect a tip just because you're me.
Brought to you by Booking.com.